Oh, hey, that's hey. Okay, so we're here at setup. We have Knapford completely neutered, unedited, now unbuilt. And we got John here spectating. For what? For once.
We're Tommy guys. Of course we know how to do Knapford. All right, let's do it.
Oh, thanks. He did it. He actually did it. He's cracked.
Oh my god.
No, we didn't.
Where's the other one?
Jump cut. We found the third one.
I treat Tommy very seriously.
We did.
Now we come to the best part.
We did. It's all coming together. Check it out. That wasn't even on the layout last year. Check it out. Working on the tower. It looks like a building project in New York. Look at them doing bismuth sheds.
Look at them playing with our toys while we're playing with model Tommy trains, you know?
That's right. You got damn right. You're right.
It's all society's fault.